So many of you are having this software, either the trial edition or the real edition. So trial edition having a very less features. You do not get all features there. You get scaled down features, as well as the number of analysis is restricted in trial edition. So this software, if you see on the top ribbon, you will be finding out all the features what it has: equity future, options, option weekly. Then we have a option scanner. Then we have pair trade features here, and trend reversal scanner also is there. So here in the this is Gann's trend reversal scanner. So it is scanning for all stocks which will be having today will be the trend reversal day. So it is using the low angle, high to low square, hexagon, price time, square, price range method. So these are the stocks are having trend reversal today. And here couple of things we have given, like couple trend levels. So based on their closing, if they have closed, so these are the trend reversal, not for today, it is for tomorrow. So today's trend reversal date you would have got yesterday itself. So if these stocks is having trend reversal date tomorrow, so tomorrow these are the 27th trend reversal date, these are the things are there. So you have to watch out for this level. So today, if SBI close above 830.6, then there is a chance. This is level 2. Level 2 means there is a chance that 65% chance is there. Tomorrow it will accept the trend reversal. So if it is closing above 821, then there is a 45% chances that tomorrow it will accept or honor the trend reversal, or else it won't honor. Similar way, if SBI is closing below 811 or slightly above 811, just 1 or 2 rupees up and down also you keep, then it is in the level 1. So tomorrow there is a chance that 45 to 60% chance there it will accept the trend reversal date. Uptrend it will be accepted. So if it is closing below 802 or slightly above 802, then there is a 65% probability or chance that it will accept the trend reversal date. So this is for the trend reversal date. So we have here pair trade features wherein we are giving all your beta decoupling related analysis. So here you have to load the data. Now market has not opened. Once the market open, I will show that. So these are the main features. Then on these features, like Gann study we are using. So equity and future analysis, we are using the Gann study, volatility study, Fibonacci study, Elliot study, average and pivot studies, Gann technical studies. So all these things, technical studies. So these are the studies are used by us for this particular analysis. So Nifty analysis or Bank Nifty analysis, we are using these studies. So every study we have different on Gann, different type of Gann studies are there. Gann angle volatility, natural constant study, Gann vibration, Gann square of 9, square of 12, Gann hexagon, tetrahedron, price tool, swing tool also. So here all these things is, so swing tool also, these are the features, these are the Gann studies is added here. So any new Gann study we are coming, we will be adding here. Similar way, volatility study also there. So in Gann study, if you go for Gann cycle, so Gann cycle, if we are going for Gann cycle, so yesterday's closing was 24,306, 24,300.6 swing. If we are going for the swing action, this is newly added. So newly added, those who will update, they will get it. So here, so when we are saying that day 1 to day 10, it is trend is off, trend type of trend is this is spelling they have more make it wrong, consolidate, and volatility also consolidate. So consolidation trend is there. This is a new feature added. which is not update. Once he will be update given weekend, he will be getting it. So Gann cycle. So cycle again says that, but after how many price point today trend will be set. So today's trend set point is trending point, trend price point is plus or minus 35 points. So plus or minus 35 point will set the trend 15 degree, 35 point plus uptrend plus 35 point minus downtrend. If that happens to, then till 180 degree it will be moving. This is for the Gann cycle price point. So similarly, Gann angle and volatility. This is based on the yesterday's close. This is today market has not opened. Based on the yesterday's close. So these are the values we are getting. So yesterday's close values also evening take a reference, so that next day you will be keeping it for yourself for the. So yesterday you can go. It has gone to 24,365, come down to 24,120. So based on that, these are the today 24 to 249 may act as a close has happened 300. So 300 here you can say yesterday close also happened almost 1 rupee deviations from your 1 rupee deviation from your vibration resistance. So these are the tools benefits or tools having, these are the features. So these are the features the tool is having. So why we used to give, yes, many traders trade which will be having margin shortfall, which will be known post market hour. The trader may not have the fund to make it, so morning he may close it. Many trader will be missing out specific trades in the last hours. They may think of initiating in the morning hour. So there what happens, arbitrary pricings will be there. Wherever it opens, they will be entering there. So these are the situations for which we require to give some breathing time to the market. So it is 9:15 opens. If you give 5 or 10 minute time, that breathing time it will take, it will make its own adjustment or self adjustment, then it can move. So now you can say 2 to 3 minutes I have given. Slightly I will go for the vibration. Vibration is an excellent concept. So I will be loading the data. Let me see whether my system perfectly picks up the data. Now I will be going for intraday vibration calculate. So this data has been fetched properly. Now the calculation should happen. All calculation it has done intraday vibration. So it is 349 274. So this cross check it, 349 274, 24 349 24 274. Here this is the high and low has been created, and this is the vibration. So here 4 is the, from high 4 is coming, and from low the 1 is coming. So wherever 1 you will be finding out, because once 1 comes, then all numbers are vibration number. So but wherever 1 comes, so this is one place it is coming 1, here too also 1, no other place you are getting 1, but these all are the vibration numbers, because 1 is 1 multiplied with 1 is 1 multiplied with 2 also 2, 1 multiplied with 3 also vibration. So it is by default all are vibration numbers, since this value is coming 1. So these are all vibration numbers same. So one high is being created. So let us go for high is being created. We will go to the lower side here. Downtrend, which are the things is vibration. So you have a bounce back from 24 to 74. It is telling if the downtrend starts, then you will find out 24 to 71 is a support. If that breaks, 24 193 will be a support. Then 24 167 will be a support. And if that breaks, then 2464 will be a support. So these are the vibrations for the downtrend. So these are the vibrations for uptrend and downtrend. And here too also Gann angle and volatility comes this thing. Our cycle 1, cycle 2, all things are coming. So we'll be using little bit of, you can say, Chart GPT. So I'll be going for the chart here. So the 1 minute chart I want the system to draw. So here 1 minute chart, by default it is there. So here I'll be just taking a screen print of this chart, and this whatever previous days data also will go, because Chart GPT I have to give a training first. What is this is known as a training data. So training data I have taken. I'll say that I'll paste this data and I'll ask the Chat GPT, please do a comprehensive Gann angle comprehensive Gann angle analysis and Gann angle analysis, and suggest the uptrend, downtrend, and buy entry targets and sell entry targets, comma, sell entry and target levels. So Gann angle I have given this. So it is, so this system what I will be doing, that comprehensive Gann angle analysis. So Gann angle analysis, when I say, it will take that Gann angles one by one angle and other things. It will not have any role in the volatility and other things. So volatility will not be a part of this. So we have done a calculation. This calculation also I'll be taking into account. So this also I'll be taking into account, but provided I'll not draw from here. So rather I'll be taking the from the beginning. So this is the full screen. Let me take, so that is half a screen if I give. So Gann angle, see, very uh, clean way. So current price is this, which changes this thing. Various levels 349, 329, 310 are others are visible on the chart. So here downward upward movement 24 500 it is telling, downward 2461. So these are the things it is giving, one by one, 1/3. It has got a trend with this thing. So he has that read from that various levels. These are the levels being plotted there. So then downward 1/3, upward 1/3, downward 1/4. All these things given. Uh, so I'll further refine it. Can you improvise it and let me know the exact buy entry and sell entry levels? So 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 I am asking that you can buy entry levels, sell entry levels. So these are the entry point. So these are the things it is telling. So target 1, target 2, entry points. See what happens here. You can see what it is giving for. uh, Let me summarize it in a table for better clarity. So all these things is happening. Market also having some reciprocation. However, the highs are not being broken, the lows are not being broken. We are in between that things. So uh, then after these things I will be giving. So it is a trend, and it has given the buy entry and targets. You can see what kind of wider targets it is giving. Why it is wider targets giving? Because it has not taken volatility into consideration. It is not taken anything into consideration. Does just drawn the Gann angle lines, and from there it is making things. So now I will be putting this value. So please consider this calculation and the chart data, and suggest the buy and sell trend with targets. So I'll tell you trend with targets. So this is what first, why we have given Chart GPT. We need the trend data. So trend data will be so here the Gann study part, it is along with that respective target. So the chart data I have given. I have also given the values of the chart data I have given. I have also given the calculation what we are getting. So future is at 300 level. So that's why I told you first 5 to 10 minutes you have to leave the market to stay in its own course. Then only you will get the proper things here. So fine. So it is telling that cell cycles 280, and so it has summarized everything, and 322 entry targets, and target 1 and target 2 for these things, and all this part you can see here. So second cycle will start, cell targets slight, it has not made any changes here. So whatever you are getting here, the same thing it has just come. So here it is telling that this is the buy entry. So target 1, target 2, all this, and downward cycle also it has taken same prices it has taken, but it is just reconcile with the chart. So do not go by that whatever the calculation I am getting here it is giving there, then why I need that. It is not because of that. You are putting the Chart GPT system into a work, because here what it did, it is done a Gann angle calculation. So now based on this Gann angle calculation you are getting wider targets. Because why these wider targets you are getting? Because it is not taken volatility into consideration, nothing. It has, we have given a chart which is from previous day to today. Previous day to today. It is not the chart which we have given a chart to the system which is starting from previous day 1 o'clock or 1 o'clock 59. So from any one swing high and swing low, it will draw the Gann angle lines. So that is what it has done. Here one huge candle is being found, maybe from this high and this low it has drawn the lines. So now taking these things into consideration with the Gann angle, it is properly using the Gann angle, it has made some suggestions. Buy entry and sell entry targets it has given. So but once you look at these targets, 24,547, 24,791, it is long term. It may come after 2 days or 3 days. You want it for the intraday. 23,980, which is 300, 400 point apart. So here traditional way, those who are drawing the lines in the chart and graph, they will get this outcome only. They are not using volatility, they are not using the correct price point from where it should start. We are taking from the opening price. Sometimes we will be taking from previous day's close, or sometimes we will take from the current price based on their gap. So these are the things is not being considered in the chart. So chart data what we have given, whatever the on Gann angle, whatever the knowledge or skill the system has, based on that it has determined that it will take a swing high, and from there it will draw all the downward lines, downward slopes. The latest swing low it will take and draw all the upward slopes. So in this case, most likely this low, this is a large candle. So this large candle's low and high may be taken for the Gann angle, and from there it has projected. So you got big levels, because this candle itself is too big, 500 point candle. So that is why you got different levels, and that happens in the traditional chart study. It has nothing to do with volatility. It has not taken that whether the swing high and low, which is almost already a past, whether that should be taken, or you should take the open price or previous day's close price or current price. So that simulation did not happen. So that is not an improvised edition of the Gann angle. So we gave it understood that yes, Gann angle study we want. Then we gave the system that this take this calculations of the Gann. So Gann GAV it doesn't understand. So this Gann study it understand that is a Gann price study we are giving. So Gann study we have given. It's that I will integrate detailed Gann based analysis uploaded tool snapshot with the observed chart data. From there it has given. So what it gives here, so you are buying entry and selling entry, it is giving buying entry and selling entry. So buying entry and selling entry, 280 below you should buy, sorry, 280 below you should sell for 24 241, 24 208, 322 above you should buy, and your cycle ones 365 and 404 will be your target. So this is what it has identified from the chart and given you. So identified from the chart and the prices and given you. So what happens here, first you have to, whenever you are using the Chart GPT for any system, first you have to train the system. First you have to give a training to the system. So if I just again I will give it here, say you can say here I will be going for the chart again, and I will be taking a snapshot here. So this I am giving here. See, one I have taken a snapshot here. So I have just copy it here, and again I am giving. Please do an intraday Elliot wave analysis. Elliot wave analysis from the above chart and suggest the buy and sell trend with targets and stop loss. So this it will not so intraday Elliott wave analysis from the above chart and suggest the buy and sell. So here patterns you are getting. So what is wave 2, wave 3, so wave 4, what time that pattern has happened. See, yesterday's data it is taking, not from today's data. See the timings. It is giving 2 o'clock, 2:21 to 2:32, 2:32, 54. So these are the things happened, and buying set off for this thing. See, extended targets, short term, extended, and this is stop loss should be 275. Today 274 it has happened. Entry post 5 ABC correction will happen 24 290, targets 260 230, stop loss 320. So you can see here. So here you can see the comprehensive studies from the chart. This is useful. But here, if after doing these things, if you will be, now the prices are changed. Now if I just go to our, I load the data again, the data has changed. So I'll be loading the data. So don't go with this thing. Slightly deviations will be there, but slight deviations will be there. So that is here I'll be going for the Elliot. So it is giving the impulsive cycle. So now I'll be taking these values into account, and I take a copy of this picture. Now I'll be again going to the Chart GPT, giving this image, and please refine the buy entry and sell entry with target and stop loss, considering the chart data and the calculation data image. So this is the initial part. It has given a understanding that wave 1 2 3 wave impulsive wave pattern is forming. So we understood impulsive is forming. So impulsive is forming, and based on this impulsive we have given this data. So what it has given, intra above 23 24 364. Earlier what it was giving, see that 315 it was giving. However, now it suggests 315 may trigger. So here what happens, once the volatility comes into picture, and other things comes into picture. So these values, once it is being given to the system, impulsive cycle values, entries have changed. You can enter with respect to these values also, but there is a chance of triggering is more. Chance of triggering is more. Why this chance of triggering is more along with this chart data? The reason is there is no role of volatility here. These waves are just taken from the price point, whichever the price point it has happened from there. Only thing it confirms here that there is a impulsive wave pattern formed, and this impulsive wave pattern is continuing. In between this impulsive pattern there will be a corrective pattern on wave 5. Based on that it has given that. So it has not taken volatility, nothing into consideration. So what happens if you take both the things today? So these particular things, you take a photo of these things. So if you consider these values, and if you consider these values, both values will have a different outcomes. Triggering actions will be lesser in uh, in our smart finance that products. You can say it will have a lesser triggering action. So 352, it is 352 or 364, it is suggesting that suggesting a buy and a sell also. It is suggesting to a particular level. So this is what you can follow, both the things, whichever here volatility is being considered and other things is being considered. So but when to use Elliot wave, can anyone will tell me what is the best time or best situation to use the Elliot wave? Anyone? When we should use the Elliot wave? Volatility of index is 10 to above 15%. So that is a high volatility market, or 15 to 20% you can say. So that is the high volatility market. So you cannot use the Elliott wave in all situations. High volatility market is only for Elliott wave. So volatility is high, then only you can use the Elliott wave. So here for the swing actions, you can say that volatility is falling. So consolidation is volatility is decreasing trend. Volatility is a decreasing trend, and trend is down. Now you can say it is up. Type of trend is consolidations. So volatility also is having the fall. So here this spellings and all, they will improvise it. So we'll go for the tetrahedron. So tetrahedron is looking like this. So now tetrahedron is looking like this. This is for your uptrend tetrahedron. So how much you have gone now? You can see here. What is the value gone? 349. No new high is being created. See, suddenly there is a fall. Why happened? You can see 24, 275, 274. Now the low also is being created. New low is being created. 24, 263. New low is created. New low is being created. So this is what I was telling. If you go with the Elliott trend of this one, 315, then stop loss would have been triggered by now. So triggered by now. So this is also need to be avoided. So this is how you should work on the both the things. So here volatility and other things are the smart finance concept, and these are independent concepts, public concepts, improvised concepts. So Chart GPT will be taking all public concepts, the concept which is written in book, which is being programmed in the book. So that is only it understands. So whatever the new things you brought, it is our prototypes, our own proprietary. So that Chart GPT will not consider, because once you feed that data to Chart GPT will understand. And but these are the tetrahedrons and other things, if you give, it won't have any answer, because these are the things Gann's literatures publicly not available things. It is not being decoded. with respect to this thing. So publicly these informations, tetrahedron, hexagon, all those things, timing studies, these are not publicly available informations. You have learned because you are associated with the smart finance, but these are not, these are the proprietary assets, the assets of the skills or the research done by the smart finance. So these are the uptrends as per the tetrahedron. So intraday tetrahedron, what will be the downtrend price points? So downtrend price points is this one. You can say now few minutes before you had 74 low. So 67 and 21, these are the squaring numbers, 24 to 67 and 24 to 21. So between this is a great support. So if this support broken, this support will act as a best support and it will become a tough resistance. So tough resistance. So you can say that from now itself 63, 64. So excellent support is 67. So high energy times only you can use in the leap years and other times also you can use it. Eclipse months, leap years, you can use this thing. So this is for tetrahedron price point. So if you do not have the software, rather just download and the trial and use it for things. But I'm not sure whether tetrahedron and other things are there in trial or not. So go to the site, trial edition is here. So download the trial editions and use it. Some new additions, new things is not there. So I think hexagon will be there, square of 9 will be there. So now what happens, you can say new low is being found. New low is being found. So vibration will change. Intraday vibration will change. So we'll just calculate. Intraday vibrations will change. See 68, 69, 63 low. 63 low has happened. 63 low have 63 point something low has happened. Whenever new low and new high happened, so that time vibration also will change. So 63.55, see here number become 9, which was earlier 1. So now your uptrend vibrations has come, say refined vibration. Now 24,341, 24,367 will act as a great 24,341.5, 24,367.5 will act as a great resistance. If that penetrate, 445 is a call you can take. However, you can say downside nothing changed because high is maintained the same. So we have come down to 67. 71 is being broken. So if 71 was a acting, thinks it is broken, now 58 also has come, low has come to 58.05. 58 points. So each time this low is being changing, so your vibration also will change. So low changing means the vibrations will change. So you can see here the low has been changed. Then calculate the values, and once the calculation completes, you can say this calculation 58.05. So this also you can say earlier 9, first it has started with 1, then become 9, now it is 8. So you can say 84, 24 to 84 also is a vibration, 335 vibration, 414 vibration. But downside these vibrations are still intact. Now you are having 24,193. This is the price point you should. So 56 now, 58 was there, 56.30 also has come the low. So low is going on changing. So now your vibration also will change. Low is going on changing. So vibration also will change. So we'll go back to the Gann angle studies, what we did in the Chart GPT. Gann angle studies. So here, what was there? 322. This has not come. Then selling entry 280 has come. We are now expecting 241.48. So how it is closely resembling, you can see 241 point something. So 245 is one target, 219 another target. These are the feeble targets. These targets can be penetrated. Only support will come 24,193. From there, it should come. 24,193 will be the thing. So 56.05. So 56.05 has come. What we have, our system has taken 58. So it requires a change now, because low change, so vibration number will change. Low changes means the vibration number also will change. So low has changed. So 56.05 now becomes 6. Earlier what was there? 1 we started, then became 9, then 8, now it is 6. Vibration number is 6. So 6 vibration, 24,282 is another one resistance. If that crosses, 386 is the next resistance. In between these smaller resistance, it can penetrate. So understood how the vibration number changes. So how the vibration number changes and creates a opportunity, same time it creates, see, 43.15, 23 to 43.15. So this is not changing to 43.15. You can see here slightly below that it has gone and come back. And if I go for Gann angle and volatility will change now. So because the current price changes, it will change. But what study we have taken, see, 43.15 to 80.96, it has given you a sell entry. To 41.48 is your target. So 43 you have achieved, 43.15 you have achieved, 1 or 2 point deviations, but still the exact price also can come, you can say. So this is the, so when 322 has not come, so we have 280 given a breakout, and it has broken below that, it has come down to these things. So understood how Gann angle and volatility works here, and all trades should go with the hedging. So that is also I say, but it is up to you, because all trades, always I used to say, you must hedge. If you are selling a future, how you will hedge? If anyone is selling a future, how he will hedge? Selling a future should be hedged with, selling a future should be hedged with what? Selling a future should be hedged with what? So here you have seen that Gann angle and volatility sold at 81, first target was 24 to 41.35, it has come down to 24 to 41.35. So here you can just imagine what is the role of volatility. See, from there then now it is a 10 to 15 point, 20 point bounce happened. So 41.35 it has come. 41.35 was our calculation, target 1. It has come down to 41.48. 41.48 was our target. It has come down to that, and then after it has moved. So here to also you can say downward intraday vibration also 45. So 41, 3 to 4 point below it has come. It is not vibration, it is just one of the target. From there it has come up, but our vibration was sitting at 24,193. 271 broken means vibration 24,193. So now the low changed in between. So when we have been observing that low is being changed, so the vibration will change, upside vibrations will change. So low, new low making vibration will change, new high is making intraday vibration. These are the intraday vibration. Intraday vibrations will change. See, now it has become 4. So 2, 2, 4, 8, 1, all are vibration numbers. So 267, 292, 318, very toughest vibrations are sitting here. 3 toughest vibrations are sitting here. So 61, so you can say here very toughest vibration consecutively, 3 big resistance. So when they are consecutively sitting means they are big resistance. 267 also a resistance, 293 also is a resistance, 319 also a resistance. These 3 breaks means then there will be a free rise maybe till 24,396. But this consecutive things is always act as a great resistance. So you need to, and downside there is no changes because high is remaining same, low has only changed. So you have experienced how the Gann angle and volatility works, and now vibration also you are experiencing. So now 66.9724 to 67 toughest level to break. If that breaks, then it can go to newer levels. So that if that breaks, then only it can go to the newer level. So by this process, futures are down negative and spot is positive couple of points. So 20-30 point spot is showing that positive. However, this future premiums are shedding, or December future also reducing its premium, January also reducing, November also. November, no doubt it has to reduce because we have only 2 days left for expiry. So this is reducing. So the reduction in premium is what it suggests. When premium of future, what you will draw the inference, or आपका क्या इन्फरेंस रहेगा कि ये जो प्रीमियम रिड्यूस हो रहा है इसको आप क्या समझेंगे? What you will understand from that? When premium reduces, that suggests that shorts are building up. जब भी प्रीमियम रिडक्शन हो रहा है, बट ये जो प्रीमियम आज रिडक्शन हो रहा है इसको शॉर्ट बिल्टअप मत मानिएगा, क्योंकि ये एक्सपायरी डे का फिनोमेना है, 2 दिन का एक्सपायरी है. सो प्रीमियम तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, जो भी प्रीमियम कल था वो जाएगा ही जाएगा. तो 40-50 पॉइंट का प्रीमियम था, उसको आज जाना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आज 26 हो गया, 27-28 को आपका एक्सपायरी है. So these are the small things you need to understand. तो पता चला कहाँ पे 241.30 आपका ज्ञान एंगल था. अभी ज्ञान एंगल का या करेंगे तो इसका लेवल्स अलग आ जाएगा. ज्ञान एंगल एंड वोलाटिलिटी तो करेंगे तो इसका लेवल्स अलग आ जाएंगे, because the price points have changed. प्राइस पॉइंट जब बदल जाते हैं तो वोलाटिलिटी बदल जाएगा, सारे चीज बदल जाएगा. तो आप जो निकाले हैं आपको इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए एंड कीप फॉलोइंग दैट टिल थर्ड साइकिल इज नॉट पेनिट्रेटेड. कीप फॉलोइंग दैट. आपका कैलकुलेशन ये है, सभी का कैलकुलेशन अलग अलग आएंगे, किसी के कैलकुलेशन किसी के साथ में मैच नहीं खाएगा. एंड दैट मैं अगर यही सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर रहा हूं मेरा अलग रहेगा, आपका भी अलग रहेगा, बिकॉज वोलाटिलिटी विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर यू. सी अभी नया लो बन गया, नया लो बन गया तो क्या करें? अभी कौन सा चीज बदलेगा? इफ द न्यू लो इज बीइंग मेड, द वाइब्रेशन विल चेंज. सो नाउ वाइब्रेशंस में बदलाव आ जाएगा, इंट्राडे वाइब्रेशंस में बदलाव आ जाएगा. सो इंट्राडे वाइब्रेशन will change now. So intraday vibration will change now. Intraday vibration, अभी इंट्राडे वाइब्रेशंस देखो सब बदल गए. सो 38.653 हो गया. सो स्टिल इट मेंटेन्स. अर्लियर इट वाज 4, नाउ इट हैज बिकम 3. सो 6 to 9. सो दिस 3 also very toughest resistance it is putting it. So now again further low is being made 37. So 193 तक आ सकता है, 193 तक आ सकता है, 193 24 193. क्यों आ सकता है? कहाँ से आ गया ये 193 तक आ सकता है. ये जो मैंने बोला वो कहाँ से आ गया? यहाँ से. टॉप बदला नहीं है, 193.21 यही यहाँ तक आ सकता है. 45 टूट गया, 19. उसके बाद में 24 193, 24 167. these are the potential level, and वो भी 90 डिग्री का. so 90 डिग्री and potential level also it is there. so अगर बाउंस होगा तो वहीं से होगा, अगर वो तोड़ के नीचे आ जाता है तो फर्स्ट साइकिल पूरा कंप्लीट हो सकता है, वो भी आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. 90 डिग्री 45 डिग्री in Gann's angle is very important, very strong. If that is broken, then it can go for 180 degree also. 180 degree also. So this Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, I have HDFC and Axis I have taken. So from here, the first pair analysis says that 4 studies are suggesting to buy Bank Nifty and 4 studies are suggesting to sell HDFC. This is the first combination is coming along with the hedge also it is recommending. So this software also recommends what put option you will hedge, what call option you will hedge. बैंक निफ्टी एक्सिस ये पूरा क्लियर मेजोरिटी में है, बैंक निफ्टी को बेचो, एक्सिस को खरीदो. सो बैंक निफ्टी टू बी सोल्ड, एक्सिस टू बी बॉट. फाइव स्टडीज आर रिकमेंडिंग दैट एंड कोरिलेशन पक्का नहीं है. सो दैट इज स्प्रेड इज नॉट favorable, so hedging is required. Buying of axis along with put and selling of the bank nifty with the call ये भी. and HDFC and axis में HDFC को सेल करो, axis को बाय करो, ये भी आ रहा. so दो pairs are perfect pairs along with the hedgings. so if you are buying, so it is suggesting from which part of the things also you should hedge. so ये सारे जो है ये सब इंट्राडे के लिए नहीं है, ये सब पोजिशनल ट्रेड. इंट्राडे के लिए 2-3 दिन के लिए अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी होगा तो मिलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं. सो हियर यू हैव टू चूज इंट्राडे और पोजिशनल. इंट्राडे का अगर हुआ तो बाइंग बैंक निफ्टी, सेलिंग एचडीएफसी. कोरिलेशन ट्रेड रिकमेंड नहीं कर रहा है, स्प्रेड भी ट्रेड रिकमेंड नहीं कर रहा है. देखते हैं और कोई पेयर में ऐसे मिलेगा तो. कोरिलेशन नॉट रिकमेंडिंग द ट्रेड, स्प्रेड ऑल्सो स्प्रेड रिकमेंड कर रहा है. कोरिलेशन ये एक पेयर आप ले सकते हो भाई. एक्सिस सेल एचडीएफसी इंट्राडे का बीटा डिकपलिंग में रिकमेंडेड है. सो बैंक निफ्टी एक्सिस में इंट्राडे के लिए ट्रेड नॉट रिकमेंडेड. बैंक निफ्टी एचडीएफसी में है बट 2 स्टडीज इसको कंट्राडिक्ट कर रहे हैं, कोरिलेशन एंड इसमें कंट्राडिक्ट कर रहा है. बट एचडीएफसी एक्सिस में ओनली correlation is not recommending, so it should be hedged perfect definitely. Otherwise correlation not recommending means you must hedge it, you should not skip the hedging. ये इंट्राडे के लिए है. अभी का जो फिलहाल का प्राइस चल रहा है, whatever the price is going on now, axis buy, HDFC sell and hedging must. so जो भी axis आप ले रहे हो उसी का at the money, in the money, just in the money, out of money में मत जाओ, just in the money में आप हेज करके इंट्राडे में इसको भी देख सकते हो. सो यू हैव सीन दैट ग्रेट फॉल हैज हैपेंड एंड 209.6, 209.6. थोड़ा देखते हैं या क्या ये क्या दिया था. सो सी हियर सेल साइकिल 280.96, 41 ये आया एग्जैक्टली 24,208.3. इसी में साइकिल 1 का कंप्लीट हो गया. 24,208.3 साइकिल 1. गैन एंगल कंप्लीट हुआ 209.6. 1 रुपया का डेविएशंस में ये कंप्लीट हुआ. यहीं से रिवर्सल हो रहा है. सो लेट अस सी वेयर इट गोस. एंड अभी जो आपका एनालिसिस हुआ इसमें से क्या फ्यूचर स्टॉक एचडीएफसी को बेचना एंड इसके साथ में एक्सिस को खरीदना. हेजिंग इज मस्ट. इंट्राडे के लिए कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी है वही बताया. सो अपॉर्चुनिटी है बीटा डिकपलिंग. इफ इट इज रिकपलिंग देन ओनली अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएटेड. सो अपॉर्चुनिटी इज गेटिंग क्रिएटेड फॉर इंट्राडे इफ बीटा डिकपलिंग इज स्टार्ट रिकपलिंग. सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या होता है, ये इंट्राडे का यहाँ पे क्यों रिकमेंड नहीं किया, व्हाई इट इज नॉट रिकमेंडिंग हियर. Trade is not recommended means today now when this analysis is being done the recoupling is not happening means बीटा में जो डिकपलिंग है वो आज घट नहीं रहा है, तो आज वो एक्सपांड हो रहा है. तो इसीलिए इसमें रिकमेंड नहीं किया. ये दोनों में रिकमेंड किया बट इसमें विथ द अदर स्टडीज कोरिलेशन नॉट फेवरेबल, स्प्रेड आल्सो नॉट फेवरेबल. हियर इट इज कोरिलेशन नॉट फेवरेबल, स्प्रेड इज फेवरेबल एंड डिकपलिंग भी रिकपल हो रहा है. so this is also one part you observe. so this take a screenshot here, sell and buy this. so selling of HDFC and buying of Axis it is recommending. take a photo of that. and hedgings 1786 तो 1780 का कॉल ऑप्शन इसके साथ खरीद लो एंड 1150 का पुट ऑप्शंस या 1160 का पुट ऑप्शंस एक्सिस के लिए खरीद लो. तो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज रेकमेंडिंग. किसी को कुछ क्वेरीज है तो पूछ सकते हो. सजेस्ट एचडीएफसी सेल, एक्सिस बाय, HDFC should be hedged with 1780 call option, and Axis should be hedged with 1160 put option, और थोड़ा इन द मनी भी जा सकते हो, if it is 1 or 2% इन द मनी भी जा सकते हो। तो नवंबर में 2 दिन बचा हुआ है, जो थीटा डिके बहुत रैपिड हो जाएगा, सो गो फॉर द दिसंबर। ये दिसंबर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, दिसंबर का ही ऑप्शन में हेज करो, सो hedge it with the December options. Anybody has any further query can ask me. Getting calculated. How this VIX is getting calculated? Anybody? Any idea? होता है ऑप्शंस का डाटा से। आज का ऑप्शंस नहीं, पूरे ऑप्शंस जितने भी चेन्स अवेलेबल है, व्हाट एवर वीकली मंथली व्हाट एवर द चेन्स आर अवेलेबल, using taking all option data into account, OTM, ATM, ITM को नहीं लिया जाएगा, OTM एंड ATM जिसमें एक पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम होगा, सभी स्ट्राइक्स नहीं जाएंगे। Those who are having a median volume, median open interest and median volume, उसी को लेके एक कॉम्प्लेक्स मैथमेटिकल प्रोसेस से निकाला जाता है। So that is not possible to make it in the Excel. So this is a VIX is being taken from the option data and इसमें सारे ऑप्शंस का डाटा, वीकली मंथली सारे ऑप्शंस का लिया गया है। एज होता है, यानी कि I think 52,000 minutes life is required. Option should have a expiry of 52,000 minutes to get eligible for VIX calculation. Again we have to calculate the intraday vibration, because low बदल गया 209.6. So intraday vibration देख लेते हैं। intraday vibration से देखो ये सब चले गए, जो चेन रेजिस्टेंस वाज देयर इट हैज गॉन, नाउ 262 विल एक्ट एज ए रेजिस्टेंस, इफ इट क्रॉसेस 339 तक कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं है, टेंशन आएगा 365, इफ दैट क्रॉसेस 417, सो दीज आर द लेवल्स नाउ। सो टेट्राहेड्रन्स आल्सो नाउ बीइंग 24,355 टेट्राहेड्रन क्लोजिंग से ही लिया जाता है, सो इट वोंट बी ए चेंज, यू मे नॉट सी देयर। सो टेट्राहेड्रन का जो सपोर्ट्स था, यू कैन सी हियर 206 वाज वन ऑफ द सपोर्ट, सो 206, 243 एंड 206 स्क्वायरिंग थे। सो व्हिच आर द स्क्वायरिंग नंबर एज पर दिस थिंग, 24 243 एंड 24 206, सो 276। आपका पहला जो लो बना 24 274 था, उसके बाद में सेकंड जो लो बना सेकंड डाउन ट्रेंड में 24 241 था, 241 था, 2 पॉइंट नीचे जाके ऊपर आया। अभी जो लो बना है 24 209 पॉइंट समथिंग, 209 रुपया एंड ऑड, तो यहाँ से रिवर्सल हुआ। ये दोनों स्क्वायरिंग नंबर से मीन्स once this crosses then this will be 76 will be a squaring number, 302 will be a squaring number, 346 तक वो स्क्वायरिंग नंबर चलेंगे। सो स्क्वायरिंग नंबर का मतलब होता है दोनों सपोर्ट का इक्वल एनर्जी है, दोनों रेजिस्टेंस का इक्वल एनर्जी है। सो प्राइस आर डिफरेंट बट देयर एनर्जीज आर सेम, इट विल बी इनवाइटिंग द सेम इंटरेस्ट। टेट्राहेड्रन क्या बताता है? सो दोनों प्राइस अलग अलग है, ये जो रेजिस्टेंस आप देख रहे हो 360 375, ये दोनों प्राइस अलग है बट दे आर स्क्वायरिंग साइड में बैठे हुए, दोनों का एनर्जी इक्वल होगा। इस रेजिस्टेंस के बारे में जितने लोग सोच रहे होंगे, जितने लोगों का फियर एंड ग्रीड रहेगा, इस रेजिस्टेंस के लिए भी उतना ही फियर एंड ग्रीड रहेगा। उस ये क्रॉस कर गया तो ये दोनों का 395 का उतना ही फियर एंड ग्रीड रहेंगे। सो डिमांड एंड सप्लाई इक्वल रहेंगे। सो दिस इज व्हाट it says that tetrahedron.